Two breakthrough AI tools. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, MidJourney, your AI artist for breathtaking visuals. And on the right, Perplexity AI, an AI-powered search and research assistant. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters. Each category stacks up points, and by the end, you'll see a clear winner. The result might just surprise you. All right, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me quickly show you what we're going to cover. We're talking about creativity and image generation, research and information retrieval, general conversation and writing, integration and ecosystem, and, of course, pricing and accessibility. That's basically everything you'd want to know before you pick your favorite. Cool? Now let's get started. First up, creativity and image generation. Okay, so MidJourney? Oh man, this platform is the artist's dream. You get insane control over style and artists, which is awesome if you want like Van Gogh vibes 1 minute and cyberpunk the next. The catch though is, you gotta know how to prompt well. Like, there's a learning curve for sure. On the other hand, Perplexity AI, that's not really an image generator. It can describe images and help with research tasks that use images, but it won't spit out cool art for you. If you want jaw-dropping visuals, MidJourney wipes the floor. Easy win for MidJourney here. Now, moving on to research and information retrieval. Here's where things really flip. MidJourney can generate images around research topics, which is neat, but there's no built-in web search. No citations. If you need up-to-date info, honestly, look elsewhere. Perplexity AI, though, dude, it's built for this. You get real-time web access by default. It'll dig things up, give you sources, and make you feel like a research ninja. Only downside? Free tier features are kinda limited. Still, for research, Perplexity AI totally takes it. All right, let's talk about general conversation and writing. With MidJourney, you can have cool discussions about creative concepts and even whip up prompts for other artists, which is fun, but it's definitely not text-heavy. It's more about what you see than what you read. Perplexity AI shines here. You get Q&A, explanations, summaries, and the conversations feel superhuman and interactive. It's like chatting with that one ultra-smart friend in your group. Though, fair warning, if you're just after some entertainment or wild storytelling, there are better tools. But between these two, Perplexity's got the edge. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. MidJourney images? Yep. They've actually been featured in major art galleries. And Perplexity AI? Researchers use it to fact-check news in real time. Honestly, both these tools have real-world bragging rights. Next, integration and ecosystem. So MidJourney? If you live on Discord, you're gonna love this. The Discord workflow, the artist community, it just clicks if you're creative. Downside is there's no direct API for lots of other apps, which kind of limits stuff. Perplexity AI is more flexible. You can use it on the web, on your phone, and if you're on their pro plan, lifetime updates. But here's the hiccup. You might need other AI subscriptions for the fancy features. Overall, the integration feels deeper with MidJourney, especially if you're all about that creative workflow. Final round, pricing and accessibility. Honestly, this is where things get tricky. MidJourney's subscription is competitive, especially if you're creating lots of stuff, and they do offer pay-as-you-go, which is nice. But if you're a power user, it can get pricey. Also, it's kind of a niche audience. They're really focused on creatives. Perplexity steps in with a totally free tier. Pretty cool. Their pro pricing is easy to understand. But yeah, the free features are limited, and the real magic happens only in pro. I'm not gonna lie, both have their perks and their limitations on price, so we gotta call this one a tie. If we plot their strengths on a chart, you'll notice MidJourney dominates visuals and creativity, while Perplexity basically owns the info and research categories. They're both super specialized, so it kind of depends which lane you want to be in. So, wrapping it all up, if you're an artist or just want to get visually inspired, MidJourney is hands down your go-to. But if you're a student, a pro, or just someone who needs answers with receipts, Perplexity AI is the smarter move. If you found this comparison helpful, do yourself a favor and bookmark it for your next AI tool decision. You never know when you'll need to pick the right side.